So now I want to show you how you can use two different approach in order to solve longest repeating character replacement task. And there are two options. In this shorts I will show you how to use a standard algorithm, and in the next short I will show you another approach. So let's visualize this algorithm. So for that we will need two pointers. One will be left and another will be right pointer, and both will start from the first element. So let's check how does it work. So we first move right pointer to the right, and now our window size become equal to 1 because in our window we have a new element A, and maximum frequency in this window is also equal to 1 because we have an A character and his frequency is equal to 1. And now we need to subtract from all elements from our window the max frequency, and we will get 0, which is less than k. K in our case is allowed replacements, which we can do in order to get the longest subarray. So because it's less than 1, we can move to the next element. And here we have another A, so window size become equal to 2, and maximum frequency become equal to also 2, yeah, because of the second A. And now we need to subtract this maximum frequency from all elements from our window. We again get 0, which is less than 1, so we can proceed. We move our right pointer to the next element, and right now our window size become equals to 3, and maximum frequency remains equal to 2 because we have 3 characters here, A, A, B, and the maximum frequency is for character A, which is equal to 2. And we subtract this value from window size in order to know how much elements we need to subtract and to replace. And this is equal to 1, which is equal to our k, so allowed replacements, which is good. So we can move our right pointer to the right. So let's do this. And right now our window size become equal to 4 because now in our window we have 4 elements, and maximum frequency become equal to 3 because we found a new character A, and we need to subtract the maximum frequency again from all elements in our window in order to know how much elements we need to replace, and this is equal to 1, which is equal to allowed number, so we can replace, so we can move our pointer to the next element. And here because our window size become equal to 5 but maximum frequency is still equal to 3, we subtract this value from 5, and we find that actually we need 2 replacements in order to make all elements in this window to be the same, which is higher than allowed number. So in that case we need to move our left pointer to the next element. So let's do this. And because we removed A from our window, now maximum frequency is equal to 2, window size become equal to 4. We subtract this value from 4 and we still have 2, which is still higher than allowed value. So we again need to move left pointer to the right, and now window size become equal to 3, maximum frequency is equal to 2, and we subtract this value from all elements which we have in our window, which is equal to 1, which means that we just need to replace 1 character in order to make all these elements to be same. And we are doing these operations until we don't finish to iterate through all array. And by doing so, we can find the maximum length possible in our array doing just one replacement.